Ever wondered how to impress a peacock or avoid target practice? We've got the definitive guide. Do admire their stunning plumage from afar. They've perfected that look, and they deserve applause. Don't pluck a souvenir feather. It's not a gift, it's a declaration of war, and they have sharp talents. Do appreciate their vocalizations. That shriek isn't a cry for help. It's their way of saying, "Look at me, I'm fabulous." Don't try to ride them. They are not miniature ponies, and their backs are uncomfortable. Do observe their elaborate courtship dance. It's a masterclass in showing off, and we could all learn a thing or two. Don't feed them leftover snacks. They prefer insects and seeds, not potato chips. So, next time you encounter these magnificent creatures, remember these simple rules. Follow Trifactics for more videos.